Hi everyone, and thank you for tuning in to Document Navigator. Today we'll be introducing some of the tools that help you access the crucial information you need, faster and easier than ever before. My name's Jacob from Huawei, and I'm joined today by Yun Ke from the Information and Cognitive Laboratory. We're speaking to you from Huawei's picturesque Songshan Lake campus in Dongguan, China.
Hi Jacob, and welcome everyone. I have been working in the product information area of Huawei for 5 years. My team is responsible for eliminating information challenges on the technical support website and providing you with better user menus, multimedia, and tools. Thanks to all of you for joining us today. As you may already know that the Document Navigator World Tour is a campaign that we've been running for several years now. Every year, we technical writers from Huawei visit customers and partners around the world to listen to your feedbacks and concerns. Our key aim here is to provide you with an ever-improving service experience.
Of course, given the coronavirus outbreak, we're not able to visit you in person right now. And while that's unfortunate, since many of us continue to work remotely, we decided to shift the World Tour online. As Yun Ke just mentioned, improving services for customers and partners remains a top priority here at Huawei. Above all else though, we want to first take this opportunity to wish you good health for you and your families.
Right. Let me also mention that we will have some Q&A sessions throughout this event to give you the opportunity to directly ask us questions. Because we want to make things fun, we will throw in some Amazon gift cards that worth $25 for 6 randomly selected viewers that raise questions.
Now, we have a vast range of enterprise products here at Huawei, and with them come a lot of user manuals. Of course, user manuals are packed full with all the information about a particular product, and this can become pretty overwhelming pretty fast. However, now we have a dedicated tool to help manage this, a tool you might not be familiar with. Let me hand over to Yun Ke, who can delve a little deeper into what this tool looks like and what it can do.
Sure. The tool that Jacob just referring to is called Info Finder. Info Finder uses our proprietary headix formatting, which we'll be touching on later, to pull all user menus in one place. The tool helps you to quickly and easily locate the information that you need. And it's also very important to note that this information is automatically kept up to date as we release new models and new versions. Let's have a little demonstration to show you how it works.
Sure.
Let's first open a browser and enter support.huawei.com/e for enterprise. Here we are on the technical support website. We can actually find an Info Finder button on the home page. And here in the search box, we can enter a product model. Let's use S5700 as an example. And here it is. So in the basic information tab page, we can actually see a range of information, including life cycle information, for example, the end of marketing dates, end of service date, life cycle status. That's very useful. And also some hardware informations. And in the operation and maintenance tab page, we can see the license control items, alarms, commands, and information like that.
Okay.
Let's take commands as an example.
Sure.
For example, if I want to check for a command, but I can only remember part of it, for example, session timeout. Let's use that as an example.
Okay.
We query that, and instantly we can have all the commands that containing this keyword, highlight in yellow. We can also switch between versions and see this keyword always highlight in yellow.
Right.
And if we click on that command name, it will lead us directly to the chapter in the user menu. So you can see all the relevant information on that.
Okay, great.
So that's Info Finder.
Yes, thank you very much for that, Junke. I think the usefulness of Info Finder is pretty easy to see. So we also have other tools here, right? Can you briefly explain how we access them?
Of course. So we also have a tool center under the tools. Let's have a little demonstration here. So we can see on the home page, here is an icon and tools under that. So we click on that, we can actually see we provide hundreds of tools that will actually making using our products much easier. And you can use the filters on the top to find the tools by products or by application scenarios,
Right.
like installation, commissioning, configuration, maintenance, or you can enter some keywords.
Okay.
Let's say hardware. Okay, so here we provide 8 more tools that can help you check the hardware informations. Or you can enter like 3D, and we can have the 3D interactive display tools for all the products we have. So that's Tool Center. Very
Great.
useful, right?
Yeah, it is. So why don't we move on and take a look at this Storage Info Center?
Sounds good.
Currently, Info Center is just set up for a selection of Star products, located in the Storage Information Service platform. We take all the specific information about a product and put it in one easy-to-access location. Like Info Finder, the information is kept up to date and automatically updates as a new product model is released. Let's take a closer look using Ocean Store Dorado V6 as an example.
Sure. Okay, so now we are back to the homepage of technical support website. We can see the enterprise data center is here, and all the enterprise storage products are in this place. So this is the storage information service platform you have mentioned.
Yep.
It actually provides all the useful tools, popular documents, popular resources, multimedias, and courses.
Okay.
Are all in this place. And here we have some star products of the storage products. And this is the Dorado V6 series
Right.
we're very familiar with. And this is actually the Info Center you just mentioned. So it actually provides a range of informations like deployment, configuration, and best practices, maintenance, and all the reference informations you need. And on the top of it are documentations, online tools, and Storage Academy, which is the online courses.
I can also see the 3D interactive product display tool right
Right.
there. From my understanding, that's quite a popular tool, right?
Yes, it's a very popular tool and also very fun to play with.
Okay.
So let's try it. Let's take the V6 series as an example.
Sure.
And so I'll go with 3000 and the SaaS version, okay?
Sure.
So here is the original view. We can actually use our mouse here to drag it and rotate it. I can rotate it to the rear view and scroll my mouse to zoom in and actually see very detailed information of the ports.
Right.
You see all the numbers and words. You can see everything very clear.
Yes.
And we can see some green dots here. If we click on that, it actually gives us some more detailed information
Right.
of these ports. For example, this is the management network port. It connects to a maintenance terminal to manage and maintain a storage system. And I can drag it to rotate it downwards a little to a bird's eye view, and I can actually click component to actually drag out the cover
Right.
and the other components
You
and
can
zoom
get right
in.
inside, huh?
Yes, I can see like the fan modules. I can move that out, and I can drag the hard drives out one by one if I
Right.
want. And here is explosion mode. See, all the components are separated. So if I can drag on the blank space here, I can
Okay.
rotate them together or move the components out one by one.
Right.
So here we also have a QR code. So our audience, if you have your phone, you can actually put out your phone and scan this QR code and play with us.
Great. Thanks for demonstrating how the tool works. Okay, I think it's time for our first Q&A round.
Yes.
For those of you using a PC, please click Participants at the bottom of the screen. Then click Raise Hand. If you're on the mobile app, tap More in the bottom right corner, then Raise Hand. We'll unmute you and give you a chance to ask your question. Remember, 3 participants that ask questions will be randomly selected to receive an Amazon gift card to the tune of $25 US.
Yes. So the floor is open now. Do we have any questions?
If you have a question, please feel free to ask.
Oh, we see someone raise their hands.
Sure.
Yori, right? Hello, can you hear us? Yori? Yes.
Hi, thank you for your sharing. But now I have a question. I forgot my password on the website. How to reset it?
Oh, sure. It's a very commonly asked question, right? So if we forget the password of our support website, we don't need to panic. We just need to click the login and click the forget password.
Right.
Now you can reset your password by email, by user ID, or by mobile.
Okay, great.
So does that answer your question?
Yeah, I get it. Thank you.
Thank you very much for participating, and don't forget to send us emails to document@huawei.com.
Thank you. Okay, do we have any other questions? Oh, I can see a couple of questions here.
Hello.
Hi, who am I
Hi,
speaking with?
Yogen.
Hi.
Yeah, Yogen this side. Yogen this side from India.
Hi,
Actually,
Yukendra.
I have some. Yeah, hi. So I have as per your 3D documentation for the 3D view of the hardware. Okay. So I am getting the same tool in the mobile also. That is 3D plus. If you remember, earlier we are using 3D plus tool in the mobile for the
Oh.
IP and IT. So how this tool is different from this your website tool? Are you getting my point?
Sorry, we didn't get that very clearly, Yogendra. Can you please repeat the question? Sorry about that.
So as you shown the 3D diagram or the 3D picture of the hardware, that is the Durable series or the IT equipment, same types of software in the mobile and getting that is a Huawei 3D plus.
So you are asking a question about a 3D interactive tools, right?
Yes, yes.
You want to know if we have the 3D display for other products, right?
No. I'm saying same type of tool for the mobile. Huawei has generated the same type of tool for the mobile version that is 3D plus.
I see. On the mobile, can you access the tool?
Yes,
Yes,
of
yes,
course.
yes.
So do you have
So
the
my question is,
the
my
HiKnow
question
app?
is,
Yes. You can actually access all the 3D interactive display on our app. On our app
Yes,
on
yes.
a mobile phone. It's actually called HiKnow. You can download and install this app and use all the 3D interactive functions on your app. Or if you are opening a display 3D interactive display page, you can always use the QR code to just open a web page on your phone, and then you can use it on your phone.
okay.
So you can actually try it right now, like the product we just displayed. You can actually scan this QR code and it will instantly open a web page on your phone, on your browsers, on your phone, and you can actually use that 3D interactive display.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you.
Thank you very much for joining us today, and you can actually send us email to document@huawei.com, and we have prepared a little gift for you.
Okay, thanks for joining.
Hi, this is Orçun from Turkey. It is not a question. I'm wishing something from you, actually. I'm used to play with NetApp storage products mostly, and in NetApp environment, they have some simulator, the storage simulators. That is the same products, but in minimum size. That you can install it from the beginning. You can connect to iSCSI, NFS, and this kind of stuff. But I haven't seen anything in Huawei environment, this kind of player, simulator. So this develops us too much. So that we can play with the virtual environment and connect those virtual machines to those simulator products. It developed us too much, and it helped us, especially on the technical side. This is my wish from Huawei officials to develop this kind of simulator. They have something, a simulator, but it is just something like a player. You cannot configure it from the beginning. It's just something that you follow it, but it doesn't have the real feeling. This is my wish. And also one more wish, and I'm playing some e-learning videos from your websites or last days. They have bad quality, okay? The English is bad spoken on those videos, and it always stops and continues, stops and continues. So it doesn't get very well video with them. I wish that you to develop those two features. It will be much better. Thank you.
Thank you for your suggestions. Can you, sorry from the beginning, I didn't quite catch that. Which products do you use?
I'm a storage guy. Okay,
Storage.
I play with HP storage and NetApp storage.
We actually have invited the developers and the experts from the storage product lines. They're also online. Why don't we invite them to actually answer the questions for you? What do you think?
Okay. Well, it sounds good for now. Yeah.
Can we have Wang Hao on the line, please? Wang Hao, can you hear us?
Sorry, we're just having some technical difficulties.
We have another expert. She's already online. Tao
Okay,
Ming.
great.
Welcome, Tao Ming. Tao Ming is our expert from the storage product line.
Okay, did you get my question, or do I have to repeat it again?
Hello, Tao Ming.
Yeah. And I want to repeat your question.
Okay, I'm repeating my question again, no problem. I'm a storage guy. I play with other vendors, for example, NetApp, for example, HP, this kind of storage vendors. They have some, especially in NetApp, they have a simulator environment, which is the same as the storage that you install, the huge ones, okay? That cost lots of money. You don't every time have the chance to experience to install it, configure it on the customer environment. Okay, so they have some simulators that can exactly do the same thing as you do with the real product. Okay, in your lab environment, you can install it, you can configure it, and you have the same feeling. So when you go to the customer side, on the technical side, you don't have any problems, okay? Because you know that, you know how to deal with that product. In Huawei side, I look for this kind of product. but I couldn't get this kind of a simulator. Only some look and feel simulators. I didn't know the remember hardware manager. I think it was something like that. I want you to develop this kind of a product from you. Is it okay? Did you get me?
Hi, Tangmin. So I think Orkin is asking about a potential simulator environment for storage products. Do we have anything that can relate to something like that, or are we developing anything right now?
Exactly the same.
Hi, Tommy,
Okay,
are you
let's-
with us? We cannot hear you right now.
Okay, let's continue. I don't want to quit your session. Okay, let's continue. Thank you for the introduction. Thank you.
Actually, we very appreciate the suggestions you offered. The Tommy actually will contact you after this event and send you emails to talk detailedly about it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you again.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay. Thanks for those questions. I hope the answers were what you're looking for. And if you're not, we will send you emails to talk to you detailedly about it. And sorry if we didn't get to you. And for those 3 randomly selected participants, please remember to email us at document@huawei.com so we can get those gift cards out to you. We will have another round later, so please stay tuned in.